Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. It's me again coming in to help you guys figure out how to fill out these complicated, just ridiculous tax forms that it just seems like, oh, overwhelming. So I get a lot of questions about how to change your business address with the IRS. So I have so many different ways that you can do that. Here's one. If you need to do it through mail, this is what you'll have to pull up. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the actual form that you need. So before we do so, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new here, because I have tons of videos of how-tos. I give you tax updates, strategies, even credit information. If you are new here, you're gonna wanna take advantage of that because I am a licensed credit consultant and a tax strategist. So this is what I do. So I love to help people understand the tax code, and I love to give you guys ways to make it more simple and some hacks too. So let's get right along to how to fill out this form properly. So let me share my screen right now. Okay, so it's really easy to find, but I'll also put the link in the description so that you'll be able to click it and go right to the form. And you see that the form is fillable. So you can complete this form on your computer, your laptop, your tablet, whatever, and print it off. Go print it off and then mail it in, okay? Now, the form is 8822B, and that's just for business, that's all. But the same form is used for personal, it's just the one without the B. And if you need help fixing or changing your personal address, I'll also include the video link right to this, right after this one in the descriptions as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first box here is asking if you are a tax exempt organization. And that just means, are you nonprofit? If you're not nonprofit, then leave that box alone, okay? Now you're gonna check one or all of these boxes here. So the first one is talking about employment, excise, income. So it basically hit all of your business tax forms. And then the second box is just if you want to complete the employee plan returns. And these are the two forms here, which is the 5500 and the 5500 EZ. And then number three is if you just want to change your business location, and that's it. All right, so we're gonna pretend that we just want to do the business location because listen, I'm not working out my home anymore. I got me a virtual address or I got a location now and I want my tax information to go directly there. Okay, so you're gonna need to put your business information in here. So for A, you're gonna put in your business name. So I'm gonna put my business, okay? And you can put LLC or you can put INC, whatever it is, okay? You're gonna need to put in your tax ID number, or some people call it the EIN number. That's exactly what the IRS identifies it as. It's an employer identification number, but it's also considered a tax ID. So that's kind of like the lingo. So we're gonna put in a generic tax ID, okay? And then you're gonna put in the old address. So whatever old address it is that they currently have for the business, you're gonna put that in. So we're gonna put Sesame Street in here, okay? And then it's gonna wanna know the city, the state, and the zip code. So we're gonna say my city, all right? And then my state, and then we got the zip code, which is 12345. All right. Now, what country is this business or this address located in? We're going to put USA, and then the county, we're going to put my county. All right. Spelled that wrong. Let's fix that. Okay. And then you're going to put your zip code in again. Boom, that's in there. Now, number 6, you're going to put the new address in, which is like your new location, the virtual address, whatever it is, you're going to put it in, okay? Now, keep in mind, if it's a PO box, we're going to go through those instructions as well on putting everything or sending everything to a PO box, okay? So now we're going to put the new address. So that's 456 New Building, okay, Street. And then we're going to put the city, which is my city. And then we're going to put my state. And then we're going to put the zip code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you're going to do the same thing that you did with the previous address. What country is it in? It's in USA. And then you're going to put my county, or you're not going to put that, but I'm going to put that. You're going to put your county in the box that asks for the province or the county. So you're going to put that in. And then you're going to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the postal code. Okay. Now, that was the new mailing address, okay? The business location can be separate from the mailing address, but if it's not, you'll just repeat the same information. However, if your mailing address is different from the business location, then you'll put the PO box here. So I'm going to delete this out just so you can see your PO box goes here, because that's the mailing address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the PO box. And then you'll put the city, the state, and then you'll put your zip code, same down here. And then you'll put the new address, 456. And then you'll put, and that's on line 7 for the new business location address. Okay. So that is where you want to actually put your address as the business is located for everything. So like if you have your bank, your business registration, whatever the address is listed on your website, everything has to match this particular address here, not the mailing address, but this particular address right here. Okay. So this is the for the new location, new business location. So that's new building that we're putting in here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, street. And then you're going to put the city, the state, and the zip code. All right. Again, it's in the US of A. And then the county is my county. And I keep spelling. Do y'all see that? I keep spelling my county wrong. Okay. There we go. Now it's going to ask you who's really responsible for updating any of this information, like who's the owner of this business. And then you're going to put your first and last name. All right. And then the new responsible party, social security number, EIN, or anything like that. So you can put the business name, social or EIN, and then you want to sign. You want to put a phone number. I'm sorry, 10 is your phone number and the signature. So I always put a phone number there just in case they need to call me just to verify if everything is right. Okay. You're going to print it out and sign, but before you print it out, make sure you put the person that's signing, like the title of the business. So say for instance, I am the CEO, or you can put the member manager. Okay. Okay, you'll put that in there. And then right at the bottom, which is really good, it tells you 2 separate addresses. You'll find the state that you are listed in, your business is listed in, and then you mail it to this address on the right side. Okay. And that's just about it. That's really, really simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. If you need to pause and stop and rewatch this video several times, go ahead and do so. But here it is. This is the form. You're going to mail it in. I prefer to mail everything when I'm sending anything out to the government. I mail it with a number so I get a certified mail just to be safe and secure, knowing that they got it, because sometimes they will say that they don't get forms or it gets lost somewhere. Who knows what's happening with the mail system nowadays since the pandemic. So in order for you to be okay in your mind, knowing that they received it, we don't know when they'll process it, but we know that they have it, then you won't feel like, okay, let me keep mailing and mailing and mailing. So this is just one of the ways that you can update your business information with the IRS and send it in. I also have a hack for you. I will put that at the end of the video as well in the description, so that you guys can call in, and you will need to follow those instructions to be able to get them to do it for you over the phone. And it's like just your basic business information, nothing extra. You cannot sell a business and then have them update it for you. No, they need to have your signatures and things like that, okay? So I hope this was really good for you. It helped you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like it for more information and more updates. And until next time, I'll see you soon.